Shivangita read. Started. Stop. She started playing badminton at the age of Abham, at the age of 8. At the age of 8. Yes. Soon after she joined. Is there any whole word? Yes. There underline whole word. Yes. She joined the Pulila Gopichand Badminton Academy. She joined this academy. Same like you are a karate student. Yes. Then you also join some academy. Yes or no? To learn the moves, to learn the karate moves. Yes or no? Yes. So whenever you want to choose any sport and you want to get the training, so for that we have to join some academy or institution to get the training for that particular sports. Understood? And she also joined some academy so that she can learn the badminton and get the training in which sport? Art in which sport? Badminton. Yes. Now let's see what happened next. She always reported on time for her training classes. She always reported on time. Reported on time. What do you understand by this? She always reported on time. Who will tell me what is the meaning of it? But what is the meaning of it? That she always reported on time. What do you understand by the sentence? Raise the hand if you know the answer. Anyone can raise the hand. Yes, Parth, try it. Reported on time. Yeah. Okay, very good. Very good. She always. Very correct sentence she used. Very good. Everyone clap for her. Very correct sentence formation. She always be on. She always be on time. Reported on time. She always be on time. She never get late. Okay. For her training classes, even though she had to travel 56 kilometers every day. She used to travel a what distance? 56 kilometers. She has to travel to reach to that training center. What distance, Anisha? Yes, 56 kilometers. Her coach felt that this showed her desire to achieve her goal. Underline desire. Underline desire. Which one beta? Showed. Yes. Only one word is detecting the whole word. Showed is also one word. Clear is also one word. Underline. Showed is also underlined. Desire is also underlined. See. Her coach. Desire is also. And now her coach understands that she is doing such hard work. Yes or no, she is doing hard work? Yes. Because of this hard work, her coach understands that she has a desire to learn something. She is on time, she is getting the training, she is not getting absent, she is doing 100%. So means this is a desire. She wants to wish for it. That yes, I